Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is Heron's formula, and in that class we take and solve some important questions based on them. Now dear students, in today's class we also take and solve some important questions related to Heron's formula. So let's see a very important question based on them. And the question is the perimeter of a triangular field is the perimeter of a triangular field. Perimeter of a triangular field. The perimeter of a triangular field is 450 meters. Is 450 meter, and its sides are and its sides are in the ratio 13 12 5. 13 ratio 12 ratio 5. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area now. Let's see its solution. Now let's see its solution. This is a very important question. So let's see what is the process to solve that question. Okay, now look here, perimeter is given as what? So here sides are given in the ratio. So first of all, let the sides are 13x, 12x and 5x respectively. Okay, let the sides are 13x, 12x and 55x respectively. Now here the perimeter is given, and you know that the perimeter is sum of its all sides, that is a plus b plus c is equal to, this is 450 because perimeter is this, so 450. Now we put the value of a, b and c. A means first sides we take as 13x, so here we write as 13x plus this is 12x, this is 5x is equal to 450. Now we get what? This is 30. Okay, 30x is equal to 450. 0 to cancel to each other, so the value of x is 45 upon 3. Thus the value of x is what? 15. The value of x we find that what? 15. Now the sides are thus the sides are, a we take as 13x, so this is 13 into x is what? This is 15. 13 into 15 is there na, so 13 is to 15 is we are what? 195 meter. 195 meter. Now second one, here b, second side we take here, this is 12x, that is 12 into the value of x is 15, so we get what? 15. This is 180 meter, and such third sides of the field we take as c as 5x, so 5 into the value of x is what? 15. This is 75 meter, that is 75 5 meter. Okay, now what I do? Now we find the area of the triangle. So for area of the triangle, we using the Heron's formula. First, we find the semi perimeter. Here the semi perimeter, half of the perimeter, 450 by 2. That is, thus the S is equal to 225 meter. Now area of the triangle is S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. This is the Heron's formula. Now we put all the values in that formula. So we get S is what, 225 into 225 minus A is what, 195 into S minus B, this is 225 minus B is what, 180 into this is 225 minus this is 75. This is 75. Now from there we have 225 into this is what, this is 30. Now this is 45 into that is 150. This is 150. Now we simplify them by the concept of, by the help of prime factorization method. So look, we can write the square root 225 is 15. So here 225 write as it is. Into here we can write 15 into 2. Here this is 15 into 3. Into this is 25 into 2 into 3. We just factorize them. Because of the pair, we take common out from the square root of 225 is what, 15 into 15 is in pair. 15 common out from the square root. 2 is also in pair, so 2 is also common out from the square root. 3 is also in pair, so 3 is also common from the square root. And the square root of 25 is what, 5. The 5 is common out from the square root. Now we just multiplying them, so we get as what, look, this is 15 and 225. This is 225 is there, multiplied by 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay, now we get area of triangle is 3 5s are 8. Okay, so 6775 centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so in this way, dear student, you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on Heron's formula. Let's see. Take a very important question. Let's see. And your question is: a field is in the shape of a field is in the shape of a trapezium. A field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are whose parallel sides are whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter respectively. 25 meter and 10 meter. Okay. The non-parallel sides are the non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 30 meter. 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Find the area. Find the area of the field. Now let's see its solution. Let's see its solution. This is a very important question. Let's see. Here, you know that the formula for the area of trapezium is what? 1/2 sum of its parallel sides into height. But in that question, we have its parallel sides, but its height means perpendicular height is not given. So first of all, we find its altitude, means its perpendicular height between two parallel lines. After that, we apply the formula for area of triangle ABC. Let's see. So first of all, we draw a trapezium. Look, this is our trapezium. Let us take ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which its parallel sides are 25 and 10 meter. Okay, so this is we take as 25 meter AB and CD is what? This is 10 meter. Okay, and non-parallel sides are 14 and 13. So let's see, this is 13 meter and this is what? 14 meter respectively. Now look, what we find, let us say that its perpendicular height between two parallel lines is ABCD. We take as A is what? H. Let us take its parallel height of the let its height be H meter respectively. Now we have to do some construction in that question, and first of all we draw DF. We draw DF perpendicular to parallel to BC. We draw DF parallel to. Okay, so we draw here. We draw DF parallel to BC by construction, and we already have CD parallel to BF. CD parallel to BF or FB, you can say that. So now look, you know that if in any quadrilateral opposite sides are parallel, each pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is a parallelogram, and by the property of parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel as well as equal. So in this way, here this is 10, so BF is also equal to 10 meter. Now from there, the distance AF is what? This is 25 minus 10, that is 15 meters. So from figure, it is clear that from figure, distance AF is equal to 25 minus 10, that is 15 meters. Okay, this is 15 meter, and here this is 14. So here this is DF is equal to BC is equal to 14 meter. So this one is also equal to 14 meter. So in this way ADF is a triangle in which all of its three sides are given. We have all of its three sides. So we apply the Heron's formula for finding the area of this triangle. Okay, this triangle. So now from figure, in triangle ADF, let us take its side. A is 30 meter, B is 14 meter, C is 15 meter respectively. Now we find the area of triangle ADF. So for finding the area of triangle ADF, first we find the semi-perimeter. Thus the semi-perimeter is what? AB plus C by 2. So this is 13 plus 14 plus 15 by divided by 2. So we get what? 42. 42 upon 2, that is 2 to the 4, 2 was the 2. Thus in this way the semi-perimeter of the triangle is what? 21, means triangle ADF or triangle ADF, the semi-perimeter is what? 21 meter. Now what we do? What I do, dear students? Now thus by using the Heron's formula, thus by Heron's formula, area of triangle ADF is equal to S minus B and S minus C. First we find the area of triangle ADF now. So now is equal to S. The value of S is what? 21. This is the semi-perimeter. Here we put as 21 into S minus A, that is 21 minus A is what? 13. S minus B, that is 21 minus B is what? 14 into S minus C. S is what? 21 minus C is what? That is 15. Now look. Now area of triangle ADF is equal to, this is 21 multiplied by 21 minus 13. 21 minus 13, that is what? 8 is left here into 21 minus 14, that is what? 21 minus 14. 7 and 21 minus 15. This is 6. Okay. Now let's see. Now look, area of triangle ADF is equal to 21. We can write 7 into 3 into 8. We can write 4 into 2. 7 write as it is. 6 we can write 3 into 2. Now any number is in pair. If any number is in pair and in square root, so we can, one number is common out from the square root. So from there, look, 7 is in pair, so 7 is common out from the square root. 3 is also in pair, so 3 is also common out from the square root. The square root of 4 is what? That is 2, and 2 is also in pair, so 2 is also common out from the square root. Okay. So now look, 7 3s are 21, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is 84 meter square. So in this way, dear student, first of all, we find the area of triangle ADF, which is what? 84. Now, dear student, after that, after finding the area of triangle ADF, we again using the formula for area of triangle in ABDC ADF, which is 1 upon 2 base into height, but because of we find its height, so let's see. Now look, now again, in triangle ADF, area of triangle ADF is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. Area of triangle ADF is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into base into height. Okay. And dear student, you know that we find the area of triangle ADF is what? 84. So here we put as 84 is equal to 1 upon 2. Base is what? This is 15. And height, which we find here, height now. Okay. So now from there we find height. So h is equal to 84 into 2 upon 15. Okay, now area of trapezium. Now area of trapezium is equal to 1 upon 2 into sum of parallel sides, means 10 plus 25, into height, means what? 84 into 2 upon 50. Now this two cancel to each other. 25 of 10 what? This is 35 into 84 upon 15. 5 3s are 5 7s are 3 2s are 6 8. Means, dear students, 7 into 28. 7 into 28 means 196. Yes, so 196 meter is square. This is the required solution of the given question. So dear student, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please, dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your syllabus based on these topics. Okay. Now, dear student, in next class we take and solve some other important chapter related to Heron's formula. Okay. Thanks to all.